Just got back from the big city since parts store where I live didn't have a 6-volt battery. Had to go get a new battery. This one was junk. Let's see if this thing will run. It hadn't run in a pretty good while. I ain't sure. A couple months maybe. I guess you can call it a cold start. It sure is hot out here. I don't know if that darn battery's got a... Might need to hook up the charger here. Alright, let's try that. We might have to put a little dollop of gas in the carburetor. The sediment bowl's empty, but let's see what happens. Yeah, I think we better do that. We're gonna have to cheat, but that's okay. Alright. We'll give it a little hit of some gas. Let's see what happens. Ooh, she hit. Maybe we better give it another little hit. One more time. Come on, baby. She's just shy because it's on camera, I guess. Alright, let's see how embarrassed we get here. Sorta. Guess that battery ain't charged up too good. Let's give her another little hit. She's gonna run in a minute. Got almost 30 pounds of oil pressure. Another hit. It's starting to get old here. You know what? I've had that inlet, the needle in the fuel inlet stick. Had to whack it with a hammer one time to get it to let it take fuel. Let me try that. Alright, we've whacked her with a hammer, disciplined it. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. And again. Very happy about it, is it? Might have flooded her out now, I guess. Well, I forgot to turn the camera on that time. I did spend a little short with some help here from this one. I take the carburetor all apart, clean everything up. Now she's running pretty sweet. Now I can see about the brakes. Well, we got her in out of the hot sun, but idles perfectly. But it still don't. It's running lean when you do that. So I gotta figure out what ails it. Can't be too big of a deal. And we'll delve into the brakes. But I might go out and do a burnout in the old 66. I gotta move it anyway.